Honestly, a once in a lifetime experience, and I would love to do it again.
It was super cool. It was the best experience I've had in my life.
All words. The best ride I've ever done. You feel like you're actually in the video game. Amazing.
So cool. It was so fun. It was one of the best rides I've been on. So you have to try it.
Best ride I've ever done. The best slide for sure. I did the dragons ones. You go through a castle and you see a bunch of dragons. It was crazy. I would definitely recommend this. It's incredible.
They loved it. They all loved it. Yeah, they want to go up on it all day long. Like, really. Like it's perfect for the kids.